Yeah.
What's up? What's up? What's up? It is Saturday. I'm late getting started, but we are at Dollar General, and I went ahead and picked these up. I don't know if I'm gonna need them or not. I went ahead and picked these up on just in case I need them to get my transaction to 25. I do my surprisingly they got plenty of the Febreze. So for the first transaction, I'm gonna get 2 of these. There is a 4 off of 2 digital that I'm gonna use for that. And I'm have to make this I gotta make this very, very, very quick. Donnie, stop. I have to make this very quick because I got you know who it is. Stop. Come on. So let's get down the laundry aisle. It would help if I had my list, guys. Okay. So let's go on the laundry aisle and see what all they had. Alright guys, so this is everything in my first transaction. So I'm gonna be using, these are the digitals I'm gonna be using. The 4 off of 2 of the Unstoppables, the $2 off of Tide Pods, the $1 off of Charmin, the $1 off of Oral-B, these are $2, the $1 off of the Purex Crystals, and the $2 off of Purex laundry detergent. They didn't have the green kind, but I'm still gonna get that. So this should bring my total to about $25.80. I think about $25.80 or $25.90. So after all of my coupons come off, it should bring my total to either I got $9.80. I got either $9 or $10.85. So let's check out and see how this is going. And y'all, we got to move fast because he is not letting me be great. So let's see how much this turns out to be. Okay guys, so we are in the car. And I was gonna do 2 transactions, but it's gonna be 1 today because my son did not let me do anymore. He was ready to go. So, and which is why I'm glad, because I didn't want to spend any more money in there. I really technically didn't. And so my total is $1 off because the Oral-B did not come off of the if you can see that at the bottom, the Oral-B digital coupon did not come off. So my total is $1 more. So I ended up paying 12 instead of 10. I think all the other digitals came off, which was, I was like, it's $11. I was like, something's off. So all the other digitals, the Tide, the Purex, the Febreze, the Purex Crystals, the Charmin, everything came off except for the Oral-B. And I probably should have scanned it. I thought I did scan it, but that's why. I mean, that's essentially it didn't come off. So that's all my transactions that I'm going to be doing today. That's that. I wanted to go to the Bath and Body Works, but my friend just sent me a picture of all the people in the store, and there was absolutely no way. Like, there are a couple reasons why. 1, the candles are $9.50. 2, I didn't get any of those coupons. They sometimes email me coupons. I didn't get any of those. 3, I don't like to be around enough people to stand in line. So that was enough reasons for me not to participate in the Bath and Body Works candle deal today. So that's that on that. So guys, that is my small Dollar General haul for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more of my videos on getting household items at Dollar General, Family Dollar, Walgreens, and CVS, make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure that you tell a friend so you don't miss any of my upcoming episodes. Thank you so much for watching Saving Money with Mira. You guys have a good day. Bye.